Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create videos using text on Pictory. So let's get started. Step 1. Start by choosing the Edit Videos Using Text option for a unique editing experience. Add your video effortlessly by entering a YouTube link or uploading an audio or video file. I will be uploading a video saved on my desktop. After uploading, you can now personalize your video, remove filters and silences for a polished outcome, and edit the transcription on the left screen. You can also explore template options, customize, and then click Customize Video to proceed. Pictory AI works its magic, swiftly transcribing and creating a scene-by-scene storyboard. Then, the spotlight is on you now. Shape your video, edit, and style to match your creative vision. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.